Hey everyone, welcome back to the place we are testing every single mask on Amazon. And by mask, today I mean respirator. That's right. What's the difference? I will tell you. But before then, let's jump into the MedicPro Pandmedic, not pandemic, don't get it confused, solutions. Oh, but that's clever. It's like they're the solution to the pandemic. Let's open this up, put it in the clamper, and see if we can learn about this mask. Oh, that is a big NIOSH logo. So this is a Las Vegas manufacturer that it's so weird when we run across a manufacturer that I haven't talked to that's a U.S. made manufacturer. And the reason why that's weird is because I have a huge ego. Everyone should talk to me. Just kidding. Okay, this is a PFE machine, particulate filtration efficiency machine. If you want to get NIOSH approval on an N95 mask, you got to have a machine like this. Every lot that leaves your factory has to be tested in a machine like this. So let's get into this. This is interesting. This is interesting. I don't know a lot about these guys, which again is surprising. I like their packaging. So here's their. You can buy these for $2.70 a piece. If you buy 100, you get a little bit of a discount. Head loop closure. This is a N95 style mask that they've added the head loop to it, and then gotten the N95 designation. Let's take a look at this box. So this comes individually sealed, I guess, but not in a box. It came in a bag. That's weird. That's weird. But the bag's awesome. Like, I love this little bag. It's a great, like, single sealed thing, which is great. You put it in your fanny pack or your purse or your boot or whatever. Let's open this up. So you got the NIOSH logo, huge, and Pandmedic Inc., Pandmedic Pro. You got the TC number, lot number 7. Wow, that's weird. It's very weird. This is like, oh, the ear loop is supple. It's nice. Did you catch the airflow?
I did. It was 170.
So the ear loop, or the head strap is like really, really supple. This mask smells like clean socks, which is not a bad thing. That's not a dig. It just smells like clean laundry. Weird. Wow, that's not a bad smell. And the ear loop is, or the head strap is just so soft, so comfortable. Pretty good connection there. Yeah, that's strong. I've seen a lot of head straps, and this is a unique one. It's kind of doesn't stay on super well, but it wasn't going to pull off my face. But that was really easy to pull off the mask. And then this the nose wire on it's really, really strong. Most N95s, to get a good seal, have a piece of foam in there, and this one doesn't, which is very surprising to me that they would pass N95 without that. But hey, whatever. Seems like a pretty good mask, but does any of that matter if it doesn't protect you? Let's check out the machine right here. 99.146, 99.146. They've got it's a great filter in there. I did notice when we were running the test, it has a breathability of 176 pascals, which is actually really good for an N95. I've tested N95s. You got to be below 250, so that's great. But this is like the highest I have ever seen for a N95 style. So like the N95 style masks typically are below 150. And I've tested, the Indiana face mask is like 98 pascals, which is super, super breathable. So I would probably choose personally a different mask just because I've tested so many of these if you're going to go with an N95. But the packaging is very nice and very convenient. So it might be one of those things that's nice to have, like I said, to have on the go because they're individually packed. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. And if you like this video, give me a like or subscribe, or don't. It's not like I check or anything. I check. Eric, do I check?
He checks.
I check. Catch you on the next test.